Introduction of resource management technique. Resource management technique, it is one of most useful technique for analyzing and modeling the computer applications. By using this technique, we should develop and solve the mathematical model of linear programming model to understand and develop and solve the mathematical model of transportation and assignment problem. By using this technique, we have to be network modeling. In that network modeling, we have to be planning and scheduling the project activities. What is a resource management? Resource management is the efficient and effective deployment and allocation of an organization resources when and where they are needed. Benefits of resource management technique. First one is, by using this technique, they have some few benefits. One is resource visibility, and second one is increase the business value, and third one is save time and money, and fourth one is increase the project success rate, and fifth one is accommodate demand, sixth one is employee satisfaction. The major use of resource management technique is in a business, for example, in a business, to maximize the profit and minimize the cost. This is a major use of resource management technique. In that resource management technique, we have to be used different types of models. This is one of the sample resource management challenges. First one is resource ownership, and second one is a resource focus, and third one is non-project workload, and fourth one is resource tracking, and fifth one is resource visibility, and sixth one is manual reporting, and seventh one is too much information. This is general real-time resource management challenges in lifetime. They have some basic resource management steps. Before, for example, in real time, we have to be create any one projects. So in that project, before going to do the project, we need some project steps. We need some resource management steps. First one is, we should find out the project capacity planning, and second one is resource allocations, and third one is resource tracking, and fourth one is team management, and fifth one is workload management. In different kind of project, they have a different kind of approaches. So it is one of the sample approach. First approach is, before going to project, we do some planning, how the project will be, do manpower, money, cost, time, during, like that. So resource allocation, they have some infrastructure, and then resource tracking. We need track this step one process to another. Stepwise, we have to be tracked whether the project is ongoing or not, whether the project is correct or not. We have to be given some different types of team management, either technical team or software team or management team. So like that. So work management, in that work management, there are different types of team management with the help of managing of resource tracking and resource allocation and capacity planning. The workload will be assigning every team. What is the outcome of resource management? If you are learning this syllabus resource management technique, these are the outcome we have to be. Now the outcome. First one is, understand and apply the linear programming or linear programming model or integer programming problem. By using this one, we have to be solve the operational problem with constraint. Second one is by using a transportation problem or assignment problem. In the technique, we should find the optimum solution. For example, here a warehousing. So in that warehousing or traveling, we should find out the exact optimum solution by applying this transportation assignment model. And another one is with the help of critical path method and project evaluation review technique. By using this technique, we should prepare project scheduling with the help of software development or any other project. We should easily calculate this two technique. We have used any one of this technique, and by using this queuing model, we should identify, analyze, and then we should reduce waiting time. For suppose we are for a general time example, we are going to any doctor to visit. So in that doctor, before going to take an appointment with the doctor, we should first confirm whether the doctor is available or not. We should take any call or whether we should take an appointment. We call the receptionist, say, yeah, doctor today is available in 11 o'clock. Your appointment token number will be so on so 20 or 30 like that. Based on that, we have to go there and we visit the doctor and we came. So it is a most important, because in this technique, major reduce our timing with the help of this queuing model. And the most use of this operational resource management technique concept is in real world problem. We can optimize or we can solve the real world problem with the help of resource management technique. Thank you.